Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be. I got the tires for the Veloster that I mentioned before on the autocross video. Let me cut to that real quick. That's what's gonna happen. The tires are on the way. I didn't get them before the event, so I had to run the car with the tires that it had. So yeah, I got them, and they're right here. These are the tires. We're gonna be mounting them on the factory wheels. I mean, I'm not changing or swapping wheels, not for now. Too much money, kind of broke. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting these babies in the factory wheels. The size is the factory size is 215 40 18, and it's not bad. I mean, for this car, it's not a bad size. And these are gonna be a lot grippier than the factory ones. Not the factory ones, because this car doesn't have the factory tires. They are some Continental tires, but they're not for grip. They're all season tires, so they're not that good. But yeah, let me show you the tires. Yeah, these are the Firehawk Indy 500 from Firestone. I've seen a lot of reviews of these tires, and they're all good. So I'm gonna give it a try. The tread wear on this tire is 340. They are double A. So I mean, it's gonna be a lot better. The tread wear on the tires the car has right now is, let me see, 540. So from 540, these are double A too. So from 540 to 340 is a big difference. So the grip is gonna be a lot better. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, but it's 340. 340 A and A. So yeah, these are gonna be good. The car is gonna grip a lot more at the autocross, and yeah, let's go get them mounted. Okay guys, I'm done at the tire shop. I went to the same place where I got the bias plies mounted. Yeah, so far the tires, the difference on the grip and the noises and everything, these tires are really freaking good. The noise, the inside noise is very minimum. It's a lot less than the tires that it had before. The grip, way more grip. Usually when I turn off the traction control and hit the throttle, this car used to make a burnout and with the tires that I had. But now I tried it and it's spun the tires a little bit and started pulling forward like really good. So yeah, at least on that note is a lot better. So we'll see at the next autocross we'll see how it's gonna perform. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot better, so I can't wait. The next one is gonna be on May 12th, May 20th, something like that. So I'm gonna make it to that one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There's a bell. When you hit the bell. That way you're gonna get the notification when I upload the video. So hit subscribe, like, share, comment below, and I see you guys on the next video. Take care.